Good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. Follow along as I navigate the market by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We are also going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames along with framing a view for 30th October, that is tomorrow. We are also going to be discussing our stock watch list. If we analyze the open interest data for 5th November weekly expiry contract, we will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is at 11,700 strike, followed by 12,000 strike. And if we see the puts, we will see that highest amount of open interest is at 11,600, followed by 11,500. So it gives us a broad range of 12,000 to 11,500 levels and a short term range of 11,700 to 11,600 level in Nifty 5th November option contract as per this open interest data. If we see the max pain levels in 5th November weekly option contracts of Nifty, we will see that it is at 11,700 levels. So option max pain is the level. If options were to expire at 11,700 on 5th November, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, we will see that market is under control of buyers above 11,364 levels on monthly time frame, and market is under control of sellers below 11,937 on weekly time frames. So straight away you can see that we have a conflict between monthly and weekly time frames. So if you see our description area, where you can find the link to our blog post where we have discussed the scenario what is likely to happen this week. Here you can see that we had an breakdown to the downside of the previous week inside candlestick, and today we also achieved all our downside targets which was discussed in our blog post. So it's a request to you that in the future have a look at the description areas from where you can find links to our recent blog posts, and I would request you to check them out as well. So coming back to our analysis, you will see that we have a situation of conflict among various time frames. That is, monthly is under control of buyers above 11,364 levels, and weekly time frame is under control of sellers below 11,937 levels. And if we see today, market opened gap down below um, above 11,633 levels. Market was under control of buyers, so that is why this candlestick is green today. If we analyze what is likely to happen tomorrow, we will get the following scenarios. Above 11,670 levels, we can potentially trade towards 11,744 levels, 11,781 levels, and potentially 11,828 levels. And on the flip side, below 11,606 levels, we can trade towards 11,569 levels, potentially 11,522 and 11,468 levels. And 11,670 to 11,606 is a neutral range where one can refrain from trading. Now we are going to discuss our stock watch list for tomorrow. We will see that the stocks which we have selected are Naukri, Bharti Airtel, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, and Marico. So Naukri is an inside candlestick. So if it breaks above 3,638 levels, we'll look for buying opportunities. And on the flip side, below 3,502 levels, we'll look for selling opportunities in Naukri. And in between these levels, in between 3,638 and 3,502 levels, we will refrain from making any trades in Naukri. If we see Bharti Airtel, we will see that above 457.1 levels, we'll look for buying opportunities. And on the flip side, below 445 levels, we'll look for selling opportunities. And in between 457 to 445 levels, we will refrain from making any trades in Bharti Airtel. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance is again an inside candlestick. So above 410 we'll look for buying opportunities, and below 403.6 levels we'll look for selling opportunities, and in between 410 to 403.5 levels will refrain from making any trades in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. And Marico is again an inside candlestick. So above 365 levels, we look for buying opportunities, and below 355 levels, we look for selling opportunities in Marico. And in between 365 to 355 levels, we'll refrain from making any trades. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. And you can check the description area for various links, and you can see various options that Samco provides to its clients. And you can also find our recent blog post links in the description area. I would request you to check them out regularly. And once again, I would like to thank you all for watching this video.